When navigating the corporate world, understanding business English phrasal verbs can be incredibly useful. Here we explore key phrasal verbs used in context and provide explanations for each. Firstly, backup is often used in IT and data management. For example, we should back up our files regularly to prevent data loss. Here, backup means to make a copy of data to protect against loss. Secondly, breakdown can refer to a systematic analysis. For instance, let's break down the quarterly report to understand our profits better. In this case, breakdown means to divide something into smaller parts to examine it more closely. Thirdly, come up with is commonly used in brainstorming sessions. For example, can you come up with a new marketing strategy by next Monday? Come up with means to create or think of an idea or plan. Next, carry out is widely used when discussing tasks or plans. For example, we need to carry out the project as soon as possible. Carry out means to execute or complete a task. Another important phrasal verb is cut back on, which often appears in budget discussions. For instance, due to the economic crisis, we need to cut back on expenses. Cut back on means to reduce or decrease. Additionally, drop by refers to informal visits or meetings. For example, feel free to drop by my office if you have any questions. Drop by means to visit briefly and informally. Furthermore, figure out is used when solving problems. For example, we need to figure out a solution to this issue quickly. Figure out means to understand or solve something. Look into involves investigating or researching, as in, we should look into this issue before making any decisions. Look into means to examine or investigate carefully. Lastly, set up is frequently used in organizing events or systems. For example, we need to set up a meeting with the new clients. Set up means to arrange or establish something. By understanding and using these phrasal verbs, you can communicate more effectively in a business setting.